Good morning, DIYers. Okay, I'm getting ready to replace my bearings, and as you can see, I have my front wheel hub assembly that I'm going to be using to replace it, plus the backing and the bolt. I also put red and tacky grease on the bolts and the extender to make sure it goes smoothly. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. I'm getting ready to replace my my bearings. All right, DIYers. Okay, DIYers. So let's get this removed. Okay. Let's see. This is a 24 millimeter. Okay, let's see. It's coming. It is coming. It's a little tough, but it's coming off. Okay, that's a lot of pressure. Let's see. See. Let me get a little bit more leverage on this. Let me put an extension, a 3-inch extension on it. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Okay. It's coming. It's almost there. It's tough. It's almost there though. Let me see where I'm at. Just want to see how far it is, where I'm at on it. It's tough. The bearings. Let me see. Okay, let me see. All right, DIYers, here we go. Okay. So full torque. Let me see. Okay. Almost there. Almost there. Let's see. Okay.
I'll be back.
All right, brother. Let me take this out. All right, this is tough. This is tough. Let's see if we get in. Get it in. Okay, it wants to come off. It's almost there. Whew. Okay, it's rough. Let me give it a second. That's rough. All right, we're gonna see if it's gonna come off. This is rough. This is real rough. That's tough. That is really, really tough. Okay. battery might be gone. New battery. All right, let's see if this is gonna come off. It's been a rough one. Let's see if these bearings are gonna come off. It's been a rough one. Okay. Damn it. Not happening, huh? Alright. Well, as you can see, my tool broke. At least that broke. So, well, what I'm going to do, since the bearings came out, they're broken, can't drive it. So I'm gonna have to take the I'll take the control arm off. I'm gonna take it off, and then I'm going to take it to a shop so they can press it out, because it's not gonna come out. I tried, and I just broke my piece. So this thing cost me over $100, so I guess I could just get this replaced, get the Viver, and just reorder another one. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take it, because this looks pretty bad. I don't think it's gonna come off. All the bearings fell out on the other side. Let me just show you. So all the bearings fell out on the other side here. All the bearings fell out. I put them in a bag, so I can't. The bearings are gone. I tried to do it myself, but I'll go and take the knuckle off and take it and get it pressed out with a press. This is just, yeah, this is stuck in. It ain't gonna happen. So I tried though, DIYers. So we'll have to get both sides. I'm gonna get both sides pressed out, and then I'll be able to do everything else though. All right. Okay, DIYers, I had every intention of removing my hub assembly and my bearings. But when I tried, and I'm going to upload that video, I failed miserably. Only because they were the original bearings for my 2002 Honda LX front-wheel drive CRV, and it broke my part that I was using to remove it. So I had to have it taken in to Napa, and they did it for me. So this is the new hub assembly and the bearings, and they also put in my lower ball joint. So I'm getting ready to put that on now. I'll be replacing my axles this summer sometime. That's the only thing I'm not going to be able to get done. So I'll be able to replace this axle during the summer, along with the other axle on the driver's side. During the summer sometime, I'll get it done. All right, but I just wanted to show you this. I had to have this done, pressed out, and looks real good. Looks real good. So yeah, ball joint, ball bearing, hub assembly. So it's going on.